收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，前方右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Calm, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
再伙計，唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it! Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! Oh, what's the next? You see anyone? I think they're after Wu, crazy fuck! Oh shit! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going!
冇喐，冇喐！
Getting me! I'm up with the bumps with these guys! Bitch!
企度，企度，唔好喐，捉住佢，捉住佢，唔好俾佢走啦！捉住佢，捉住佢，走啦！我唔係頂啊！拉你！警察，係啊！我哋而家要拘捕你。Come on, we can work something out, right？唔使諗啦，入到監倉你慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，然之後成為呈堂證供。你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week. 下個禮拜 OK? OK?
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？5點咁樣出嚟行啦！
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
唔撚係啊 it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back?
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that
Go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch.
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's the Red Pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. It's all guys pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. They made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him! I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.